Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to add motion blur to a video clip in Hitfilm. Start by adding your video clip to the timeline. Now go to FX panel and type motion blur into search box. Now drag your motion blur effect from the search result onto your video clip. Go to the controls panel and in the controls panel open the motion blur effect settings. Change the mode to custom. Adjust the shutter angle to control the amount of blur. You can set it to preferred value, for example 400. Now play back the section, the video to preview motion blur effect. To see motion blur more smoothly, export video. Click the export button to start exporting your video. And once the export is completed, click on the output link to open exported video file. And as will be all, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.